Welcome back to Squawk Box. Wheels Up founder Kenny Dichter starting a new business for the high net worth crowd. It's a sports, lifestyle, and experience club for brands and individuals. And joining us right now with more on it is Kenny Dichter. You are a serial entrepreneur, and we're always listening to hear about your next endeavors in the world. So tell us about what are you trying to do here?
Well, we put together a sports, lifestyle, and experience club that's really there to support industries that are growing and where we have our expertise. And as you know, Andrew, the aviation was a great chapter for me, but it was really about the people and about the trust and the accountability. And I said,
so when you say it's a club, explain what the club is?
So the club is that you can, first off, individuals, families, and corporations can play. And we are going to throw the best events at the best events, but a really robust, stable events calendar that's going to be supported by unbelievable benefits. And like I said, humans have an innate desire to assemble.
Right. And
being a sociology major at Wisconsin, I never would have thought that I would put that in play.
So people who are listening to this may not understand or fully appreciate it. When you say you have a club that has events, cool events that you can go to,
yeah.
How much do you pay to go to said events?
Well, I'll start by saying that I think we're going to support a couple of really big sectors. And I've done diligence, Andrew, over the last year on the sports tech, which is the gaming, sports betting, and daily fantasy. These companies, there was $135 billion bet last year, and it's growing at 15 or 20% a year with only half the states in America. So you look at the FanDuels, the DraftKings,
right.
The MGMs, there's just such a great opportunity to partner with them in a digital way. But
I think just break it down in a very, very simple way. This is a club. You're calling it a club.
Yep.
It's a credit card. It's a card. Or you get a card as part of the club.
You get a card to denote your membership.
Okay.
And when you have that, it's a pass, if you will, to get into these very special bespoke events.
Right, and I'm trying to ask, just go through then the economics of the club. How much do you pay for the card or to be a member of the club?
There's three ways to do it.
Okay.
One is if you're a corporation, you can pay $25,000, $50,000, $100,000, very similar to the prepaid businesses that we worked in private aviation. So it's almost like we're fractionalizing hospitality for the 25,000 companies that do over $20 million a year, and of course the Fortune 1000. Number two is if you're a high net worth individual,
right,
and you're looking to what I've identified and our team has identified as the fund deficit. It's not what you have anymore; it's what you do. And again, with 22 million millionaires
right.
in the United States. 22 million millionaires in the United States, 85% of them self-made. It's experiential. That's what they're doing.
How much
you look
does
at
it
travel
cost
and
for the individuals?
Just
to get to the economics of it, how much does it cost the individuals?
So like I said, the individuals can buy their way into the events. Again, it could be 10,000, 25, 50, or 100. But I think partnering with corporations, there won't be any pay. I mean, this is the right way for people to have good, clean fun at the biggest events in the world.
For the corporations, it's worth it to buy loyalty from their high net worth individuals?
No,
like
the corporations, very, very simply, are going to be outsourcing their corporate hospitality to companies like us. I think that the day of the Morgan Stanleys, the American Expresses putting up the big events, they want to be plugged into the right events. But in speaking about the sports tech business, there's a loyalty aspect to that business. Digital businesses under-index in loyalty and under-index in physicality. You know, what we learned back at Wheels Up and Marquee NetJet with a 90% retention rate, if you take care of your clients on the ground, they're going to take care of you.
But I think